Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to Madam Nur Ain binti Muhammad Nordin. Today, we will be presenting our video presentation titled Turning Strategy Analysis into Practical Solution for Business Growth. The objective of this presentation is to analyze the strategic position of Adabi consumer industry Sdn Bhd and to propose suitable strategies that can enhance the company's competitiveness and long-term performance. By applying established strategic management frameworks, this presentation demonstrates how analytical findings can be translated into practical and actionable business solutions. So before we begin, allow me to introduce my group members. My name is Nurul Izzah binti Hamzah. Together with me are Nur Ashti binti Ahmad, Nur Azira binti Amran, Nur Najian Amisha binti Johari, Sarah Danisha binti Karanizam, and Faris Iskandar bin Muhammad Yazid. So now, we will now begin with the background of the company.
I will explain the background of Adabi Consumer Industry Sdn Bhd. Adabi was established in 1984 in Malaysia and operates in the food manufacturing industry. The company focuses on producing spices, sauces, instant pastes, canned foods, and ready-to-cook products. Adabi is widely recognized as one of the Malaysia's leading halal-certified food brands, which reflects its strong commitment to halal integrity and product quality. The company was founded by Datuk Syed Mansur Syed Mahmud and originally started as a small spice manufacturer in Batu Caves, offering basic products such as curry and kurma powder. In 1996, Adabi relocated its operations to the Rawang Integrated Industrial Park. This move was important as it allowed the company to increase production capacity, improve operational efficiency, and support long-term business growth. Moving on to Adabi's growth and brand development. Over the years, Adabi has diversified its product portfolio beyond spices into sauces, soups, flour, mixes, and canned and ready-to-eat fruit products. This strategy diversification enabled Adabi to respond effectively to changing consumer preferences, busy lifestyles, and the increasing demand for convenient food solutions. Adabi's mission is to produce high-quality, tasty halal food products while promoting healthy, safety, and happiness through food. At the same time, the company places strong emphasis on continuous improvement through product innovation. In line with its vision, Adabi aims to assist home chefs by offering convenient and value-added food ingredients, making cooking easier and more enjoyable, while positioning itself as a trusted and reliable food partner for Malaysian families.
I will now explain Adabi's logo, leadership, and strategic goals, which reflect the company's corporate identity and strategic direction. Datuk Sheikh Mansur Sheikh Mahmud, the founder of Adabi Consumer Industry Sdn Bhd, served as the managing director and chairman. He plays a key role in setting the company's long-term vision, strategic direction, and core values with strong emphasis on halal integrity, quality, and business sustainability. Supporting him is Tuan Sheikh Mahathir Datuk Sheikh Mansur, the Chief Executive Officer who oversees Adabi's daily operation and implements strategies approved by the board. His leadership focuses on operational efficiency, innovation, and market expansion to ensure Adabi's remain competitive. Moving to the logo, Adabi's logo is inspired by a traditional Malay palace or Istana Melayu, symbolizing heritage, authenticity, and quality. It reflects Adabi's commitment to producing trusted halal food products rooted in Malaysian tradition. Based on this strong leadership and identity, Adabi's strategic goals include ensuring consistent halal certified product quality, enhancing customer satisfaction and trust, driving product innovation, expanding into new markets, and strengthening long-term competitiveness and sustainability. Overall, Adabi's leadership, logo, and goals highlight a clear balance between tradition and innovation that supports the company's continued growth. I will now pass the presentation to the next presenter to discuss the key problem faced by the company.
Right, I will explain the key problems faced by Adabi consumer industries in Berhad. The first problem faced by Adabi is high employee turnover and limited employee welfare. Frequent employee turnover disrupts daily operations and reduces productivity. It also increases recruitment and training costs, which can affect overall operational efficiency. The second problem is inconsistency in product quality, particularly in terms of taste and packaging. Customers expect consistent quality every time they purchase a product. When product quality is inconsistent, it may reduce customer satisfaction and weaken trust in the Adabi brand. The third problem involves cash flow constraints and dependence on raw material suppliers. Limited cash flow affects the company's ability to plan and manage its operation effectively. At the same time, fluctuations in raw material price and supply create uncertainty and may increase production costs. And the final problem is limited internationalizations. Adabi mainly focus on the domestic market and has limited presence in international markets. This restricts both opportunities and increase competitive pressure, especially in a highly competitive local food industry.
For Adabi's tools analysis, we developed 4 focus strategies based on company strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. First, under the strengths opportunity strategy, Adabi can use its affordable pricing, strong product quality, and wide product variety to target new customer segments such as home cooks, travelers, and budget-conscious consumer. This helped the company expand its market reach and attract more loyal customers. For the weakness opportunity strategy, Adabi should strengthen its distribution through partnership with companies that have established network. This will improve product accessibility and support both domestic and international expansion. Under the strengths trait strategy, Adabi can differentiate through innovation, helping the company respond to the competition and changing consumer preference. Finally, the weakness trait strategy focus on upgrading operation and improving employee welfare to reduce turnover, increase productivity, and handle competitive pressure more effectively.
I will now explain the chosen strategies for Adabi's consumer industries in Berhad and how these strategies were prioritized using the Quantitative Strategic Planning Matrix or QSPM. Based on the strategic analysis conducted in Stage 1 and Stage 2, 3 strategies were identified as the most suitable for Adabi. The first strategy is international market expansion with a focus on halal export growth. This strategy aims to expand Adabi's presence into ASEAN and Middle Eastern markets by leveraging its strong halal certification and brand trust. This approach also allows Adabi to diversify its revenue beyond the domestic market. The second strategy is product innovation and development. This strategy focuses on developing healthier, ready-to-cook, and convenience-based products. By improving product differentiation and packaging, Adabi can respond more effectively to changing consumer preferences and lifestyle trends. The third strategy is digital marketing and brand strengthening. This strategy aims to strengthen Adabi's online presence through social media and e-commerce platform, improve brand engagement with younger consumers, and support international expansion through digital channels. To determine which strategy should be prioritized, the QSPM was used to objectively compare these 3 strategies based on their total attractiveness scores. As shown in the chart, international market expansion achieved the highest total attractiveness score and was ranked first, followed by product innovation and development and digital marketing and brand strengthening. This result indicate that while all 3 strategies are suitable, international expansions offer the greatest strategic impact when aligned with Adabi's internal strength and external opportunities. Therefore, these three strategies were selected to guide Adabi's strategic direction in a structured and prioritized manner. I will now pass the presentation to the next presenter to explain how this strategy can be implemented in practice.
The first strategy is market expansion into the Asian halal market. If Adabi successfully implement the strategy, it will be able to diversify its revenue beyond Malaysia and reduce its dependence on seasonal domestic demand. Export sales and market share in key Asian countries are expected to grow, while Adabi's brand recognition will strengthen at the regional level. In the long run, this strategy will enhance Adabi's competitiveness and position the company as a leading halal food producer in the Asian market. The second strategy is operational digitalization and process efficiency. By adopting automation and digital systems, Adabi can improve productivity and streamline its internal operations. This will help reduce production costs, minimize wastage, and maintain consistent product quality. Improved workforce efficiency and coordination will also enable the company to support higher production volume and meet both domestic and international demand more effectively. The third strategy is CSR-driven premium positioning. If successfully applied, the strategy will strengthen Adabi's brand trust, reputation, and customer loyalty. By being recognized as a socially responsible and ethical halal brand, Adabi can clearly differentiate itself from price-focused competitors. This approach allows Adabi to build a stronger emotional connection with consumer, charge premium prices, and create sustainable long-term brand value.
Now, I'll be talking about the expected impacts. The proposed strategies are expected to generate several important impacts for Adabi overall performance and long-term growth. Firstly, by leveraging Adabi's strong halal certification, brand reputation, and product quality, the company will be able to strengthen its competitive position in an increasingly competitive food industry. This will help Adabi differentiate itself from both local and international competitors. Secondly, the focus on product innovation and market-oriented strategies will improve Adabi relevance in the market, particularly among younger and urban consumers who demand more convenient, healthier, and modern food products. At the same time, improvement in operational efficiency and cost management are expected to reduce the impact of rising raw material and production costs, thereby helping to protect profit margins. In addition, the proposed strategies will support market expansion by reaching new customer segments and increasingly sales opportunities. Most importantly, this initiative reinforces the importance of strategic management by ensuring that decisions are systematic, data-driven, and aligned with both internal strengths and external conditions. Overall, the expected impact is sustainable growth, stronger marketing positioning, and improve long-term competitiveness for Adabi.
To conclude, this presentation has shown how strategy analysis can be transformed into practical and actionable solution for business growth, using Adabi Consumer Industry as the NBHD as a case study. Through an evaluation of the company's background, key challenges, and strategic position, we apply tools such as SWOT IFE, EFE, CPM, and QSPM to identify strategies that are both realistic and impactful. The selected strategy, which are international market expansion, product innovation, and digital brand strengthening, are closely aligned with Adabi's strengths, market opportunities, and long-term objectives. Overall, this study highlights the importance of structured and data-driven strategy decision-making in enabling organizations to remain competitive, resilient, and sustainable in a dynamic business environment. That's all from us. Thank you.